Hello there. If your Windows 11 is missing this Hibernate button and you want it back, then this video is really gonna help you. Let's start. As you can see, I do not have Hibernate option. So, go to Start. Type CMD. Right-click and run as administrator. When CMD appears, type the following command. This will be on the description. Press Enter. Now, again come to Start. Control Panel. Then Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. Come to Change Settings. Here you can see, Hibernate is not ticked now. So, tick it. Save changes. And you are ready to go. Close and come to Start again. Now you can see Hibernate button is there on Power Options. Isn't it that simple? Now you can use and hibernate your PC. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.